Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best pancake toy out there, the Educational Insights Pancake Pile-Up Relay Game. This delightful game is designed specifically for preschoolers, making playtime both fun and educational. If you're looking for an interactive game that gets kids moving while helping them develop important skills, this might just be the perfect choice. The Pancake Pile-Up game invites kids to engage in a relay race where they flip an order card, race to pick up the pancake shown, use a spatula to place it on their plate, and then dash back to hand off the spatula to the next player. The goal is to complete the pancake stack correctly, with a pat of butter on top, to win the round. It's an active and exciting way for children to practice gross motor skills, balance, and coordination. What really stands out about this game is its emphasis on early learning concepts. While kids are having fun racing around, they are also developing sequencing abilities and practicing pattern recognition, which are key math skills for young learners. The relay format encourages teamwork and social skills such as taking turns, sharing, and cooperating, all crucial for social-emotional development. The game set includes 10 pancakes in 5 different flavors, 2 pats of butter, 2 plates, 2 spatulas, and 10 order cards. What's clever is that the box bottom doubles as a griddle game board, adding a layer of pretend play where kids can imagine cooking pancakes on a real griddle. This makes the set versatile, serving both as an active relay game and a fun pretend kitchen toy. The size of the game is very manageable, measuring 12 by 6 by 3 inches, and it weighs just about 1 pound, making it easy to store or bring along for playdates or travel. The manufacturer recommends it for children aged 4 to 7 years, but it has been enjoyed by kids a bit younger or older as well. One of the highlights of this game is how it combines physical activity with learning. In a world full of screens, Pancake Pile-Up encourages kids to get up and move, which is fantastic for their physical health. At the same time, they're learning to follow directions carefully to stack the pancakes in the right order, honing their attention and focus. The game can be played by 2 to 4 players or by teams, allowing for up to 12 players in total. This makes it a great option for family game nights, classroom activities, or birthday parties. The relay aspect creates a lively atmosphere filled with laughter and friendly competition. All the components, from the pancakes to the spatulas and plates, are made from quality materials designed to last. Plus, the pancake pieces double as fun pretend food for children to use in their imaginative kitchen play beyond the relay game itself. The overall design is colorful and appealing, featuring vibrant pancake flavors and a fun pat of butter that tops each stack. It's visually engaging for kids, which helps keep their interest and excitement high throughout playtime. In summary, the Educational Insights Pancake Pile-Up Relay Game offers a wonderful blend of physical activity, learning, and imaginative play. It's perfect for preschoolers and young children who are ready to build their coordination, motor skills, and social abilities, all while having a blast with a playful pancake race. If you want a toy that brings together fun, education, and movement, Pancake Pile-Up is an excellent pick. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews and insights. See you next time.